everyone, today I'm going for a little shopping, so we will see what I will find. So far I sent the parcels and now I have to walk 2 kilometers to the shopping center, and yeah, so see you later. And a little bit about the weather today. It was so cold in the morning, it's like 10 degrees, so I walk in the leather jackets, and now I've got my leather pants and it is like 30 degrees now. So I unboxed the parcel from the Louise Via Roma, and I have to say that I don't like this new handbag. The color was completely different, so I don't really like it. I came back with this parcel to home, and I have to say that today it looks like a big fail. Really huge fail. It's really a problem sometimes when you're ordering something and this is like you're not getting what you expect. And like I show you the picture before of this handbag, I can repeat it, it's not a problem, but I've got a few handbags from the YSL, and this is really nice quality, nice leather handbags, and I thought that I will sell this one and I will buy another one. Just I think about the size, it's gonna be a little bit bigger with the nice chain and everything, so but no, I will send this back, and it's gonna be my third return to Louisa Viraroma. I told you it is a fail today. Oh my god, really bad day for me. I don't know what happens, but I don't know, maybe someone will be happy, maybe not. So let's open it again, and I will show you what I mean about this handbag. So I will be closer to you now. So I'm not sure if you can see me well because I'm trying the different camera. Sometimes I'm doing my videos but the front camera, which is very good, but also the back camera is cool, but I cannot see myself, and that's a problem. Anyway, this is the old handbags from the YSL that I've got. It's usually the beige colors and they are really nice. Yeah, today even my makeup, I don't feel it's good. It's just very bad day for me. The hairdresser, she did my hair and I just wanna color fresh and the gold reconstructions treatment or something. And this treatment is like, not like always, and I'm so angry of it because I spent money and I am not happy. I went for shopping and I went to Ochnik, and Ochnik, this is like you can buy everything from leather, this leather pants, leather trousers, leather coats, jackets and everything, leather handbags. Actually a lot faux leather handbags, but okay. And yeah, I didn't find anything nice, really, honestly. It's like I saw very nice leather shirt, but all buttons almost just I lost when I wear it. And other thing, it is the price. The price is just like, you know, I don't know, Gucci shirt or something crazy. Another thing, it is the trousers. All trousers may be nice, but I've got a smaller size and I still didn't find the perfect fit. So I just give up and I go to another shop. I thought that, okay, we have just 1 month until September. So maybe I will find some boots, but no. It isn't possible yet. Maybe in the end of August, so some new boots will show up in the shops, but so far, So handbag, it is like this one. So it is a little bit different and of course bigger than this one. So I would like to say, I would like to buy the bigger one and sell the smaller one, but it is a big difference, of course it is a big difference, but the color and the texture on this leather is horrible. It looks like fake to me, it looks like a cheap handbag to me, it looks like, you know, that old lady skin. Not me yet, but I know that when I will be, for example, 80 or 90, maybe, my skin will be similar. So I would like to get a nice and smooth leather on my handbags, or like this, but not like this. It's horrible. It's very ugly and not nice. Even if I touch it, it isn't nice. So this is what I mean. This is just horrible. Look at the difference between this leather and this leather. It's just horrible. I just love this and this is it, but I've got the same over here and over here, so it's not a problem. but I hope that you can see a difference and what I'm talking about. This handbag for me, it isn't nice. It's really, it's very bad quality, and I don't really like it. I don't really like it. I really thought that if this bag will came to me, it's gonna be actually the same bag, the same quality like this, but it's gonna be a little bit bigger. So I will send it back. I don't want it. All I can say that really oh my god, I have to clean my mirror, don't look at this. So the size, it is perfect, and in the mirror this bag, it looks really good and it is really okay, but when you look at this, it isn't anymore. So it's going back and I have to think about the other one. So now I have to clean my old mess, and well guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, you saw in the videos that some things I really like. I still like the red color, so yeah, it is okay. But I didn't bought anything really. It's nothing nice to buy, nothing nice to spend money. It's like last time I feel that everything is very low quality. I saw also nice sale on the Casa Day website. It's like 50% off, and if you sign up the newsletter, you will get another 15% down the price. And I'm thinking about the new heels from the Casa Day. It's gonna be beige because I've got the beige Laboutine, and I've got them. They are really nice, really cool heels. I just love them. The Gino Rossi in size 38. And the problem is that I would like to order the heels from the Casa Days, but I can order boots, but the heels is always a problem, that it's gonna be too big or too small, and I never had heels from the Casa Days, and I'm not sure if the size 38 will be good. So I'm a little bit stressed about this, because it costs still 200 euro, but 200 euro it's not 450 euros, so if I can make a return, but returns are also sometimes a problem. Like last time I had to pay for returns and I had problem to get money back. I had to ask so many times ASOS or Luisa Via Roma when I can get my refund, because refund should be in about 10 days or 14 days, depends from the company policy. But last time 10 days passed and the 14 days, I didn't get any emails. I know that they got sales and so many, and this is our busy season, and so much orders, but hello, they've got product back and I want my money back. So it's really annoying sometimes, and you wanna sometimes buy something, but you have right to return, and you wanna return it. So I don't understand really sometimes. I know that companies are busy, but well, it's like from Zara, they will get your return and you're getting money back just in a few days. So it is okay. But soon with Zara will be also problem, because they want you to pay for the return for the deliveries too in the future. So everything is gonna be worse. But yeah, I am so happy that so far I've got so many nice things, and yeah, I'm not happy about this handbag, so I will keep my old one. This old, it's still beautiful, it's still okay, and I still love it. So as you can see, it's still nice, it's still okay, very cute. I just wanted a little bit bigger one, this is it. So not a big difference, not a big difference really. This is slightly smaller, and this is slightly bigger, and this is all about these handbags. It's like But I think that this looking better just because the quality of the leather. So I will be still thinking about the handbag if maybe I shouldn't order any. We will see. So for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon in the next video, probably tomorrow. Bye.